day viewers and welcome to Harmless TV. We say we can give now the full details about what happened to this our two African people when based for America. The two of them come from Ghana, they be Ghanaians. So the man now he married the girl, so now the wife now you they see, so as you see them for the picture. So this thing now when they happen now, this particular man now when you they see now a pastor for America. He get a very big church, and as you see, and so now the wife, so the Ghanaian girl, so when he marry, now be this one went there by the corner. As me and you they talk this matter, so this man in particular, he don't bear this girl RIP. He don't give him RIP. This girl now, he don't die. You understand? So the thing I will say, we can let you know waiting they happen and how everything happen. I beg, if now your first time to join us, not forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell. So this man so when kill this beautiful wife. He named na Pastor Sylvester Ofori, 35 years old. When he be say based for America with this in wife, when get very big church. When the name of the church na Floodgates of Heaven International Ministry for number 44 Carbon Avenue, Orlando, Florida for America there. So in with this in wife, they do their wedding 5 years ago. Now they marry, now they do their wedding for America. And this in wife name now Tommy. The people know her as Barbara. She be 27 years old. She they work for one company when they call Navy Federal Credit Union branch for Florida there also for America. So this girl now with this in husband, he don't say when the girl they complain about abuse, say the man they physically they abuse her. So the case is there for police since 2016. Now they get their issue. So the girls don't call police for her. When you say police can't even arrest the man because the man not can they resist police people. But later now they can't see drop the case. But since almost 3 months back now you can be say the two of them they're not there together. Pata. They don't separate finally because the girl now come fire for divorce. Say he no wants again. They don't already separate now, but the divorce issue now see they go on. They never sign their divorce paper. So before this thing can happen, now when you can be say the man can't go find the girl for where the girl for the work, he can't trace her for working place. Then for there he can't shoot the girl. And he don't even shoot her once, he not shoot her twice. He shoots the girl 7 times. According to the eyewitness, person when see the time when the thing they happen, he said this man in particular, so this pastor Ofori, so saying they follow the wife for back. I think they follow the girl for back. Nana, so he bring out the pistol, so he can't shoot her 7 times. As the girl don't even fall now, fall safe, even they grant safe, but still he still continue to the shoot her. As he shoot her finish, he can't run, come out. You can't escape. So police people now they can't call ambulance, they can't carry the girl and go for hospital. Now for hospital now they for pronounce the girl say she don't die. So now from there now police can't give them warrant. And so much thank God for the thing what happen can't be say for the place when he for kill this girl now front of the girl office, front of her working place, because the night early morning they say the girl just they can't work. She never even settled down herself. She just dey enter office when this thing now can't happen. So camera come there for the place. Now the camera now can't carry the video everything when happen for them. Now make a way be say can't dey easy for them to feel say na this man and for them to catch am quick. And according to the eyewitness, to the girl can't even come they try to escape. Make she for run come out from inside the office, but it was too late because the man now can't get the chance to gun her down. So as he kill and finish now, he can't escape. You understand? Can't run go in house before police people can't go trace am, go meet am for house, can't arrest am. The man at the first degree murder, he there for police custody now. As me and you they talk so. So people now come they wonder, say how manage when he come be say a real man of God, prophet for that matter, pastor, when he be say everybody know, maybe small church, maybe go church, when they deliver people, when they cure people, when they save people. How manage when this man go get mind to shoot him wife 7 times, kill the girl? Wetin dey happen? So people come they wonder, and they can't even come they find out, they let us they know say for inside for the marriage self, maybe genuine marriage like that. Because the marriage may be something when you say they marry with love. So being this girl now as a very beautiful girl. So the girl, they go this man church. He start as members, as everybody they go church. Now so the poor girl they go church with him family, so with him people. Now so they going not even start the church alone. So this man, I can't see this girl as a very beautiful girl. He can't go prophesy to the girl. Make no they hear about no when be say no they believe all those fake prophets and fake prophecy. Anything when pastor tell you no now go here. No they look the person, how the person tell they live. No they look the inward side, not only the word now go just they hear. Everything pastor when be say they don't even destroy many marriages, they don't destroy many homes. Pastor go tell you say your pikin na wish, your mama na wish, your papa na wish, your wife na wish, your husband na wish, you go they kill them, they go they fight them. So men I hear this the kind of prophecy now when be say this man now when he give the girl, when make the girl fall for his trap. If not, maybe be his boyfriend. The poor girl get his boyfriend when they friend before. So he can't prophesy to the girl and I can't tell and say the boy when they get the friend, when Barbara the friend, say maybe he be boy his husband. Say God go bring better man when he be saying a very important man for the life of the girl. Say make him leave that one. Say that one a bad luck for her. Say that one not be his husband. Now the year round. So now from there now Barbara can't leave him boyfriend. So after some time now when he comes here and say the girl now don't declare, don't leave him boyfriend. Now he can't go prophesy, they tell the girl again. So the God go tell and say now the girl be in wife. Say now the girl be in real wife for this earth. And second, the duty say the two of them, their birth date, the date when they take born them, now the same birthday, the same day night that they celebrate their birthday. So the girl na come feel say maybe na truth, maybe na wetin God want, you know. So then so the marriage can't be before they call marry. So the marriage maybe wetin be say they fall in love to each other. This one and the man na he carry in fake prophecy, come to deceive the poor innocent small girl when he be say he get future. So now so he take deceive he come marry this girl. So since when he married her now, 5 years ago, now he married this girl. You can imagine person you that married 5 years ago, 2016. Now don't they get issues already when it be say police don't they come for on our house for the matter. So according to them, the boy are very abusive somebody. So you don't say when the thing they happen now it just come manifest himself. You can imagine this great leader like this, great prophet like this when they control this kind of big church. Now he get the mind to eliminate this beautiful wife. When he be say the man self not gonna get the second thought self to say God see they forgive of what as in the preacher. You understand? So then you say don't say when the thing there for a man. Now so he just take grow. So he get the time say when he come be say the brother of the girl, he can't they involve self, can't go meet the man, made them for settle the issue. But this prophet so of a thing, he fight the girl, he fight his wife, he present of the wife's senior brother. He present of Barbara's brother, he beat Barbara. So the Barbara brother now come verse, now come start to the beat her. He can't beat her, come one on that day. So now that the night they carry Barbara come on for the house. They can't tell Barbara say make it not come back. So since that the night the man can't swear. He can't swear say he must surely keep Barbara. Say if he not keep Barbara, say that him be fake pastor. So may we watch this video, may we see as the thing they happen. The day when he be say Barbara brother go to their house. He go talk to this man. May we watch this video.
No! No! No, it's not okay, Barbara. It's not okay. You cannot defend him. It's not okay. Do you see what he just did? No, Barbara. No, Barbara, I'm tired of you. No, I'm tired of you now. No, absolutely not. Do you? I know that I understand. I get it.
Harry, stop!
You are not going to fucking come down. I came in here and I told you sit back. I told you we are not here to argue with you. Why did you fucking attack her? Why did you attack her?
Can you come down?
I'm not going to come down because you started this.
Here, let me go.
You're going to go to the other room and you're not going to come out.
Barbara, what about that one?
Fuck you up. I'm telling you.
Barbara, that folder.
That's a divorce document.
Get up and go to your fucking room.
No.
I don't know what the fuck is wrong
Barbara,
with you.
move.
Keep acting up, I'll fuck you up. No, try me. All right. Try me. Okay. Try me. All right. Try me.
No, sorry. Why? It was unnecessary.
Don't give him the chance to bring these things.
Don't do that, Barbara. What if you came here by yourself?
But isn't this the same sister that you fucked up? What did I fuck up about my sister? What did I fuck up about my sister?
Perry, what did I tell you? Let him go in the room.
Perry, leave
Perry.
him alone. Perry, leave him alone.
He should go. You don't need this, right? Okay. Alright.
But you are the same person who supported me at the wedding, right?
I'm supporting you at the wedding because you were fake. You were fake.
That's the word.
You were lying.
Perry.
You were fake. You and everybody that follows you. You were fake. I supported you because I thought you were different.
So now you
I
are
thought you
here.
were not like your family.
Support your sister.
Yes, I'm here to support
The
my
same sister
And I'll
who
always
the
support her.
pastor told you that she was a witch.
Which pastor? Name that pastor. Name that pastor. Which pastor told you my sister's
The same sisters.
Which pastor? Name the pastor. Is it you? You are a pastor. You. You don't know whether you are or not you are a pastor, my friend. Get the fuck out of here before I fuck you up. We didn't come here for you. We did not come here for you. Don't let me hurt you. Leave. We didn't come here for you. We came to get something.
Can I promise you something?
Promise me.
If I don't kill your sister, then me, I am fake.
You got the video, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Right, call the cops.
No, it's
No, call the cops. Jen. No.
Barbara, stop that.
Fania, you don't play with threats like this. Jen, I'm calling the cops. No, you don't play with threats. Please call the cops. It should escalate. He's threatening you in front of me. He said he's going to kill you. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
All right, just make sure it's there so we can go. If that's it, let's go. Let's just get the hell out of here.
Is it it?
yeah.
Okay.
Make sure let's get out of here. We ain't coming here no more, Barbara. You lost all
You
this.
heard what he said?
Is there anything else you need to get? Barbara, we're done.
Whatever you want to get.
Yeah, we're done. You lost all this.
No, I'm gonna come back for it.
You gonna come back for what? No, it's okay. It's okay, Barbara. It's another debt that can be paid off. Debt is debt. You cannot replace debt with life, and vice versa. It's gone. This ain't yours no more. Imagine if you come here by yourself.
Even with us over here, he still attacked you. Fabian, don't play with these things.
Why is this a joke
You
to
may not
you?
want to have him arrested, but you have to make a
don't want
police
it.
report. You have to have a police report for future sake. The police need to make a report.
No, I'm gonna use this so you can get a restraining order.
Yeah,
You-
and make sure he's not coming in. Can you come look for my glasses, Fabian? Look for my glasses so I can make sure he's not coming in. It fell over there when he was careful.
Watch your car. Make sure he's not doing anything.
Oh, I'll fuck him up.
Don't go outside. Just look.
I think una see wetin happen, my people. Una see wetin come out for this prophet mouth. Somebody when they deliver, when people go they cure, when people go they save for a hand. Now hear wetin come out for him mouth. When he come say if he not kill the girl, he say if he not kill Barbara, and I be say him be fake prophet to this in church. Now they hear and so. Now man of God, now they pronounce this kind evil word for inside his mouth. And secondly, if they call the girl say, if they tell the girl brother say, he remember say they tell her say the girl na witch. How can you tell me say person when you say na him God na him send you say na your wife? So that time God not tell you say na witch. Person when you be say na witch, now when you be say you be pastor you go marry. And secondly, if you don't marry her, why you not go fit deliver the girl come out from that kind witchy society? That is witchy coven. Why you not fit deliver and come out? If you say you be great prophet, you be real prophet or man of God, why you not fit do one? So when I see all these things now, na propaganda now this boy just use. You just see the future of this girl. Now he just won't come key. He just want terminate the future of this poor girl. For your own life, you not send them all. Because if devil want send you, make you go do message, he don't know say your own life no get value at all. So even though say you die or you enter problem, you no go care. Because now waiting the demon send you, now you be that one. So when you go, they do. Shall you see as the thing can't happen so as he can't get the liver to kill this poor innocent girl when he be say you not spend one kobo for your head, even though say problem there within both of them. As a man of God, when you not let everything to be, let God make it take control. Leave everything for God. You understand? So now so the matter supposed to be supposed to let God judge. As he say you be pastor, you supposed to show example to other people. You can imagine the way when this man say they preach for church. May we listen to this one of the preaching. May we see him.
You passed over in October. You made it. Now you are in December. Can I speak to somebody? Look at somebody and say, I cannot die. Say, I cannot die. Then I will live to declare.
You they prophesy say you shall not die. You shall not die. But you they get in mind they take another people's life. So which kind of prophet come be down? You they deliver people, but you not fit deliver your wife. You they label your wife as a witch. Tell me, man, when it be say no can get respect now for your wife, presence of your wife, brother. Because if you they beat your wife for in presence of your brother, it don't be like where for they beat a person picking in presence of your mama. You not go fit the try and you not fit can still hide your way because you be pastor. You not fit can still hide. And sometimes people go just they see people physically. They will just see you for street. They go they respect you. They go they carry you big, but they don't know who you can be inside. Now person when wear shoe, now I know where the shoe for the pain and so. You understand? Because no matter what, when it be say they sub for this family, no matter what thing they happen. Being a man of God, a prophet, when you say now God call you, you don't get, even you not be prophet, you don't get the right to take human being life. You don't get the fucking right. Nobody give you that right to take human being life. Even though say you don't, if you say it's okay, it's okay. If you spend money for her too, the same thing. If it's okay, it's okay. I don't see people when they say they don't spend money for men or they don't spend money for women, but they don't kill them. If they tell them say now where the matter reach, now they reach, everybody find a way. But at last, now God now they fight for their battle. At last, nothing say person go just do you bad or person go just frustrate you. You go free. Bible, why Bible say make we they leave everything for God? Because now God now they fight. Yes, now God now they fight and now sabi fight the war well. If you leave that person, tell us say make it go. The beating when God go give am, and then being I go take find you. Why some people they run mad because of what they do? Why some people they use their hand they kill themselves? So no need for you to come go they kill another person because of one thing or the other. And these people when they get this kind of mind now they kill. When they say that they kill their partner, those people now them be the greedy men, now them be the greedy women, now them be the greedy people when they inside. This one now maybe say because say they be different country. Because if now be different country now they will say okay this one maybe na Nigeria, maybe because say this one na Ghana, or maybe because say this one na Senegal, maybe na Ecosa. No. Love maybe no, you know get both. I don't care where you from, whether you be different country or different way. Now the mind of that person now matter well. And women supposed to they reason their way well. Man of it just can't tell you say now you be my wife, or because he get money, he can't go ask for your bride price. You just go accept her because of the condition when you did. No, what if they call love again? You know, person they experience love before they fall for all these kind of things. If that person they request all those kind of things for your way, you need to see say the love not there, the emotion not there. Nothing like love when attached to it. No agree, no accept all these kind of things because at the end it go end very very badly. Because that person go see say maybe your friend, now your enemy. Because person when you not feel love, now you go feel do this kind of thing too. Man now not feel talk saying love your wife, but at last he go feel keep he carry knife or carry gun, go keep person when he be say you love. No. You don't go fit do am. He go leave you say no matter what. They see women when be say their husband they leave them for how many years. The man too whether he go out heaven go earth, he go still come back, go still go find am. So we they see women when they leave their husband, no matter where they still work rich, they will still go back, go still they beg their husband or they beg their wife. Now so the matter supposed to be. But if you kill the person now, you won't kill person now, you will go your life now no get meaning again because either they kill you or you go prison. So what is the need? Now devil now with the thoughts now enter that house or waiting. And make some people not sit come the reason are too much. Because some they feel say maybe because in America or maybe because in Europe their law it favor women. Now it make women they get power. Any smart now make women they no. Their law it not they favor anybody, whether woman, whether man. They know they favor anybody. Why they get their law before because like that be say they value everybody the same. As you be woman or as you be man, now human being now you be. No matter how the thing be, now so they will take judge. So if you be man or you be woman, when you be saying now you be the woman, now you still misbehave, now you fuck up, now you bring the quarrel for that home, you still they lose everything. Even though say you get heaven, I say you get money, even though say you they rich, you won't be the woman self, you go lose them. If now I said that they drive woman to they put for outside. That they drive woman they put for outside. Woman said they go cut money children money when they supposed to they take children every month. They go tell the woman say, now you go they pay this money to this man. Yes, now so that they judge her. Not be say every time, whether good or bad, now woman now you go get the favor. Then they know they work on like that. It not be like that. But why can't they affect men too much? Can't be say men are then they always many of them are then they always they betrayed women. Men they betrayed women well. And secondly, waiting man. If they do women, if women do man what that thing, that man go run mad or he go kill that girl. Yes, women they get in mind that they bear why God called the woman again? They get in mind that they bear pain, that they bear suffering, that they bear everything, all in the name of love. But men they don't care. They don't get emotion. Even concerning even for their pikin. Now woman now they born pikin. Now you know how the pain be. Now you know how you go take care of the pikin. Now you know say this person a human being pikin. This person mama know as he take born her. Make you not do this kind of another. But man, they don't care. Their own be say as a man, their heart they strong. So then they betrayed women first, and then they betrayed women past, and then not they tolerate waiting women they do them. So make people know they feel saying because in America or not because when they see this kind of thing they happen for Africa. Not because a lot they favor them this side. When this man with his wife, when they get the problem, if you get quarrel with your husband, say the quarrel involve police. If at last when with the woman say the man a better person, you feel go drop the case, they don't go do your husband anything. Yes, unless when it can't be say the abuse can't continue. The thing when the man they do it can't continue. Now then you will come they carry on. If not, woman when he come marry you when fell in love with you, when say you be your husband, you not get the mind to put you for prison or get the mind to carry gun take kill you. No, you understand? So maybe woman in the favor. If they favor women, you know they favor women, you know they favor men for anywhere. But only say na men now that's a bit too bad to women pass, and now them not they feel the bearer. Because we not see anything now when this girl do this man, he not build us for her. You be pastor. Never say now you there for us. The one where happened for Europe that the last month. They say because the man they has, the man not they work, no only the girl they work. Now he make her when he come be say the man for sleep. But this one now, this man gets his own money, bastard money, na millionaire in be. The girl now see they work for company. And the two of them are the same country, Ghana. So this is out of wickedness for people come they do this kind of thing. No matter what, being woman or man. And the other thing is this. For some kind of reason, one go still reason and be say, make people not too much they take advantage of others. You understand? Because now come they feel say maybe once in life, maybe because say this person is a man of God, because he's a prophet, because saying they pray, because saying know God. May you come they do and things when you come no say he not good. He not good like that. Because everybody in a human being, Bible don't already tell you say nobody is perfect, no human is perfect. Apart from Jesus Christ and Jehovah and God himself, nobody on this earth when they perfect. Even now themselves, first human being when God creates, all of them fall into temptation, all of them sin against God. So if you do human being like you, what they're not supposed to do, waiting the pain, the person go feel the pain, he go feel the emotion. Whether a man, whether a woman, whether a prophet, whether a demon, whether a better person. You understand? And if they take the great spirit of God for person to overcome on this kind of temptation, so. So nobody is above a bad mind or temptation. That is why anything when we do, maybe they try to pull limits. You understand? We'll try to limit and maybe not they try to hurt people to the extent or like that. You understand? Because even no matter what now, this marriage, if you two look at now, you'll see say something happen for two of them when you say they're not happy. Problem there for inside the marriage. And for the family too to still can't talk for the matter. Had it been the man, a person maybe say get God mind, say that God now really touch her. If we're still listening to the family, and if we're not trusting the girl to that extent, because you see this our mouth, so it will get power. If they use this mouth, so they talk one kind of thing, you go there surprised. That's when they talk. If you not pray against that thing, to tell God later, so make it forgive you for this kind of thing when you use your mouth talk. That kind of thing they happen. If they draw negative energy for human being life, you understand? So make we not too much they push people to the extent when it be say so this kind of thing go they happen. Because it no matter what now, say this man now, he kill this girl now. Now still, He kill am now for nothing. He now when he be say he kill the girl into my life now useless. Because from jail now, from prison there, they go still kill am. And the girl na never even born pikin. Small girl of 27 years, one the man at 35 years old. You see little children. So make we sometimes, even for church matter, and they say go say they beg you people when you be saying no, I'm not saying as men are not they respect our pastor, because really we supposed to respect our pastors. We supposed to respect people when we say God now he called them to come help us, to come deliver us. But men now they look them well. Men now they look the way when they say they live. Because God not fit talk now say Jesus not fit talk say make man make him not marry 2 wives, make him stick to one wife, because 2 of them are one image. Then you go see your pastor say he get 3 wives, you still they believe and say a true man of God. You understand? You don't work like that. Waiting your pastor they preach say make una not do. Now pastor go they do. You understand? So you get as it be. Many of all these pastors are fake, and even Bible don't see tell you say fake prophecy, fake pastors, fake prophets everywhere, and so they're full 419. Many of all these they are miracle. Maybe God call them because say they before now they get their group. They even pay person self make it conform like that. You know, the condition and situation. How many people say they go do and undo because of money? So maybe everything when pastor go tell you, pastor tell you your picking and wish, your husband and wish, your wife and wish. If you reach us now, you go they drive, they kill the innocent people. When it be said they not send you, pastor go tell you say if you not bring money come here, if you not do this one, if you not do this one, they go soon kill you. Your date of death, see not next month, now they go kill for where all those kind one you go they believe and send a pastor. Pastor go say maybe you go find money bring come, if not they go kill. When your pastor not say you not even get money to eat. You will see they go to the church and you will go find that money, go carry give them. Now make una they open our eyes now. People see the wise more. Now make Bible they talk and God say my people died because of a lack of knowledge. He said they not get sense, no knowledge. Now make people they die. And that one not true. Because person won't get sense, you suppose reason and say, Pastor, they there to preach the word of God to you and to deliver you, to heal you, to show you the real way to follow. But their own now to come they destroy the better one when it be say God don't plan for you. So you get as it be. Anything when would they do, when would they put limits? When would they know where would they put our leg? And when would they know the kind of people when would they follow? And if they do person bad, when would they limit them? Because everybody they not the same. We they see small children say when it be say if you don't oppress their family, you don't oppress their family. They used because of it, they will go join court. The one will not be wished, they will put their leg for outside. Because of why? Because they want you back. Maybe not they push people to that extent. And many of our people, maybe they know they make this mistake again. They think say maybe because they be women and their Oyibo go favor them. Oyibo not favor you. If you do anyhow, they go collect your picking self when you be saying now you be the one. They'll collect your picking from your hand. They'll give your husband to take care of you those children. And you will be woman, you will be the one to they pay money they give your husband. So everything one person they do, men they limit her. Not be saying oh come they cause quarrel or they reach fight like that. If person do you bad, let them be. Now God now go fight for you. God not they sleep. God say now waiting you do your fellow woman, and so they go still do to you. You go see say at last that person go come back and they go come back with double speed to come beg you and to come pay you back for all those suffer when you suffer. Now they take the laws into your hands. Say you will keep. What you kill up and now you be God when creator. You are not God when create that person to tell and say without you not get life again. No, just free that person. Leave everything for God. Let that person be. And let the justice of God take its own course. That is the main thing to do. You know what to kill it. Love not reach like that. If you look and say the man said not love the girl like that. When he go say they frustrate. And we they see many people when we say they frustrate because of love. They're not gonna feel marry again. If their wife dies, they know they feel marry again. If their husband dies, they know they feel marry again. They go see they manifest that love to the end time. So now do well, my people. Thanks for watching. We still there on the matter. So anytime when any new development still come out, we'll still let you know how they still waka reach about this boy in prison matter. And if you get as the matter be when it be said they don't do before, we'll still bring and come and let you know. So men are not fair to subscribe so that now we'll get the updates anytime new developments come out. Thanks for watching and bye for now.